guys. I am. Hello. Hi. We're going to Costa Rica, guys. I'm here with my travel buddies, Sierra and Rafi. Hi. We're just waiting to board the plane. Alright guys, so we made it to Costa Rica. We got the rental car and we are on our way to get breakfast, then on a Walmart run.
I didn't know you were talking so. Is it merging?
It took us so long to get here, but we're here. It's so beautiful. Let me give you guys a better view. Hold on. Wow. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm a little scared of how we're gonna get back because this was a lot. We made it!
Fernando. How long was the hike?
I don't know, what time is it?
1:12.
It's in his pocket. It's 1:12. We started like at 10:30. It was so worth it. It's so beautiful. And we took beautiful pictures. Alright, good morning guys. I definitely forgot to record last night. We were just so exhausted after the hike, so we went to eat and then we came to the Airbnb and we just went to bed. So good morning, it's the next day. We are at the crib. I can try and show you guys a little bit what it looks like. It's made of glass. I can show you guys the kitchen, the bathroom. I almost fell. So pretty. Okay, so let me get out of the sun. So the plan for today is to go to the Arenal volcano and take some pictures there and just see it. And then we were supposed to go to this river. It's called Rio Celeste, but it was raining yesterday, so they said that the water is like not blue anymore. I don't know, but change of plans, unfortunately. I think we're gonna go to another cascada, another like waterfall. I'm not sure which one, but yeah, we are gonna start getting ready for that. And yeah. Mirador Armonia. You guys can see the Arenal volcano right there. It's a That's Sierra. And Rafi. We just took a bunch of pictures here, guys.
I'm ready.
He's already ready for the waterfall.
He's ready for the waterfall. That's what's next.
Change?
He changed. We don't know. But anyways, oh, it looks pretty. Come here, guys. Hi. All right, so we're gonna go to the waterfall now, and I'll take pictures and videos of that stuff later. But this is how it looks. Okay, bye.
I know how to tell the different brains of animals. You know, dolphins have a really big parietal lobe because they never sleep. So they always, one brain is always active.
Bien lindo.
Interesting. No, una belleza.
Sí.
Sí.
Ahora nos vamos a mojar.
Ahora vamos a mojarnos a una cascada.
Ay, qué lindo. A la Fortuna.
Sí.
Nos va a encantar.
Sí.
I think I have too much roses, and I've been feeling kinda hopeless. I know I'm not supposed to feel this way. I know it's been a while since I held you in my arms. And I wasn't ready yet to learn how to live without you. How could I let you go when I am still in love with I'm still in love with you. I'm still in love with
It's the end of day 2. Tonight is our last night at this Airbnb. In the morning we have like zip lining and things like that, and then in the afternoon we'll be driving to Bajo del Toro. So we have a long day tomorrow. It's a lot of driving. It's 9:27 p.m. and we are ready for bed. It's been an amazing 2 days so far, and I'm very, very excited for the next 5 days because we have many things planned, and I'm so excited. So good night, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, guys, so I don't even know how to explain what we're doing. Oh, that's a bunch of scary stuff. Ooh.
Al otro lado, con gusto. Ándale, mi amiga.
¿Cuáles agarro? ¿Estos dos?
Esas dos. Puedes sentarte. ¿Lista?
Sí.
Abra los ojos.
Oh my god. So we're on our way to another waterfall. This would be our third one. And yeah, it's like 7 in the morning. This is all I've had to eat. But I think we should be okay. They said it's not too bad. It's just crossing a bunch of rivers. So we'll see. Oh, look at my friend right here. Oh, okay, bye. So beautiful.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the night.
It is 10:23 p.m. We've been here for maybe about 2 hours. We just came from Bajo del Toro. We're in Uvita right now. It's beautiful. I cannot wait to show you guys how beautiful it is. Right now it's very dark, so you won't really be able to see much, but in the morning before we go to our next activity, which is an ATV, I'll show you guys the Airbnb. I'm gonna go to sleep now. Please ignore this pimple patch. I am breaking out on vacation, of course. What's new?
All alone on the internet, but you don't seem to forget about yourself.
How did she talk her into that? She's a good talker.
All right, guys, I'm gonna show you guys the Airbnb that we're in. So this is the living room area. Over here, the dining table, the kitchen, it's huge. And my favorite part, oh, very bright. So the pool. All right, and that's Rafi over there at the shower. Gonna show you guys upstairs. Let's go upstairs. stairs to take you back to the pool. It's Rafi and Sierra's room. Rafi playing at the pool.
It's like a little boat.
Yeah?
This is a big boat. I don't know how deep this thing is.
I'm probably gonna go downstairs and chill at the pool a little bit. I'm like dirty from ATV, so I'm gonna use the shower downstairs first and yeah, maybe take some pictures. We'll see. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go take some pictures. Hopefully they look nice. That's it. All right, bye. Hey guys, good morning. Good morning. So, just gonna wash my face and all that good stuff. I feel like I don't like the lighting. I'm gonna show you guys what I've been using on vacation. It's the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. This one is the First Aid Beauty moisturizer.